Assalamu alaikum, my name is Muhammad Khaybri. I am from the class 7-7. Today I'll be showing you renewable energy. First, this is the wind turbine. It's when you blow air.
It's 3D printed, isn't
Yes, it's 3D printed.
Oh, all of it 3D printed?
Like this. These are 3D printed.
Okay.
The gears.
And the gears.
The sign, the boats.
All right. Good.
So when the air comes here, it spins the turbine. It goes through a shaft, which powers the gear. Which goes through a gearbox, which powers the generator over here.
Right.
Generator converting the wind energy
into electrical energy.
Okay.
And it powers these lights inside the boats.
Okay.
Should I demonstrate?
Yes, sure. 1 second.
Let's see.
Ah, look at that.
Fantastic.
Right.
I need another one. Okay, 1 second. Now that the light is turned off.
Okay.
That's super.
Interesting. So now, what happens then if there's no wind, for example?
Well, it won't turn on. There will be no power.
Okay, but is there a way to maybe store some of the power that you are generating to use to turn this this turbine or the generator when there's no wind?
Yeah, there is. We can put a battery, and the turbine will charge the battery.
Okay.
And then when somebody needs the electricity, they just take the power from the battery instead of just directly from the turbine.
Right. Okay, fantastic. So you have solar power as well?
Yes. You can see the LED is lighting up right now.
Yeah.
When you cover it, it turns off. Or when you turn on this,
Then
it
it
becomes
actually
stronger.
gets brighter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because there's a lot of light in this atrium right now, in this area.
But when you cover it,
Switch to And when you flicker it, it will be flicker as well.
yeah, look.
Aha, interesting. I recently actually saw a short documentary about solar-powered boat.
Really?
Did you ever see something like that, or did you hear about it?
Yeah, I heard about a boat that's solar.
It was a specially designed yacht, and it was taken to Dubai for some exhibition. And the entire outer hull of this yacht is cladded with something, and so it becomes solar powered. The entire yacht.
The entire yacht?
Yeah, the entire yacht, solar powered. Yeah, it's quite interesting. It's fascinating. It was all kind of black and really looked nice, and it was a really beautiful design too. But that was interesting, you know. So, and it sailed, I think, all the way from, I forget now exactly where it was made, where the yacht was built, but it sailed all the way from there to Dubai.
Just
Solar power.
only on solar panel?
Oh, solar power. You just need the sun to shine.
No
you know?
batteries?
They had actually for storage, because at night you want this thing to keep going. You don't want it to stop sailing at night, you know. So it was then feeding off the storage. Yeah, it was really interesting. I thought that was quite amazing. Yeah, so maybe you can look it up on YouTube or something about the solar powered yacht that they brought to Dubai.
Yeah.
Good, thank you very much. Very nice. Lovely, lovely.